National Development Council was set up in answer D 1952. Economic planning is a subject answer A in the Union list. For internal financing of 5-year plans, the government depend on answer A taxation only. The National Development Council gets its administrative support from answer A Planning Commission. The 5-year plans of India intend to develop the country industrially through answer C the public, private, joint and cooperative sectors. The Planning Commission is answer C an advisory body. Which of the following statements is correct? Answer B. The Prime Minister is the chairman of the Planning Commission. The principal reason why national economic planning is still being pursued in spite of embracing a market economy since 1991 is that answer D. 5-year plan can continue to provide a long-term perspective to the economy in market-friendly fashions. Take off stage in an economy means answer A steady growth begins. Planning in India derives its object from answer B directive principles of state policy. 70% of working population of India is engaged in answer B primary sector. Economic survey is published by answer A Ministry of Finance. Who is called the father of economics? Answer C Adam Smith. The concept of 5-year plans in India was introduced by answer B Jawaharlal Nehru. India has answer C mixed economy. India opted for mixed economy in answer C industrial policy of 1948. Mixed economy means an economy where answer B there is coexistence of public sector along with private sector. India's economic planning cannot be said to be answer B imperative. Which of the following could be said to have prevented the trickle-down effect in Indian economy? Answer C first and third. Which of the following are not correct assessment of the decades of India's 5-year plans? Answer A first and fourth. Who is the Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission? Answer D none of the above. The Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission answer C holds the rank of the Cabinet Minister. Who was the first Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission of India? Answer C Shri V.T. Krishnamachari. The Planning Commission of India answer C first and third. Put in chronological order. Answer D second, first, third, fourth. Microeconomics is concerned with answer D first and fourth. Indicative planning being pursued in India since the 8th plan aims in ensuring that answer C first, second, third and fourth. Consider the following statements. Answer B. The Secretary of the Planning Commission of India is also the Secretary of National Development Council. The basic objective of India planning are answer B. First, second and third. An underdeveloped economy is generally characterized by answer A. First and second, low per capita income, low rate of capital formation. Self-reliance in the economy. Context implies that a country. Answer D. Third and fourth. Which of the following give an accurate measure of economic development through 5-year plans? Answer C. Rise in national income and per capita income. In India, the public sector is most dominant in answer C. Commercial banking. The first attempt to initiative economic planning in India was made by answer C. M. Visvesvaraya. The decentralization system was recommended by answer C. Balwant Rai Mehta. Match the following. A. First plan. First, rapid industrialization. B. Second plan, community development program. C. Third plan, expansion of basic industries. D. Fourth plan, fourth minimum need program. E. Fifth plan, 5 achievement of self-reliance and growth with stability. Answer B. Second, first, third, fifth, fourth. The main objective of 5-year plans was answer C. Development of agriculture including irrigation and power projects. India has a plan holiday. Answer B. After the draft of 1966. Rolling plan was designed for the period answer A. 1978 to 1983. The strategy of rolling plan was adopted during the prime ministership of answer C. Morarji Desai. A rolling plan was a plan for answer A. 1 year. The basic feature of the rolling plans was that answer C. Annual fluctuation in prices and major economic developments could be considered while fixing targets. The growth rate of agriculture production was negative in the answer C. Third plan. Which one of the following is the task of the Planning Commission? Answer A. Preparation of the plan. Who wrote the book Planned Economy for India? Answer A. M. Visvesvaraya. Globalization of India economy means answer C. Having minimum possible restriction on economy relation with other countries. The contribution of agriculture to India's economy is answer B. Decreasing. Which of the following bodies finalizes the 5-year plan proposals? Answer C. National Development Council. Which one of the following is not within the duties of the Planning Commission? Answer D. To prepare the annual central budget. The basic difference between imperative and indicative planning is that answer C. Among the achievement of India, planning we may include answer A, first and second. Which of the following feature indicate that India economy is of the development category? Answer C, second and third. Dadabhai Naoroji theorized on the drain of wealth from India in his book Answer C, Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. Which of the following may be termed as long-term objective of Indian planning? Answer A, first and second. Which one of the following 5-year plan recognizes human development as the core of the development efforts? Answer D, the 8th 5-year plan. In which of the 5-year plans preference was given to the weaker section of the society? Answer D, 5th. The second 5-year plan laid more stress upon answer B, industrialization. The steel plants at Durgapur, Bhilai and Rourkela was establishment during the period of answer B, second 5-year plan. What is the correct sequence of the following strategies used for 5-year plan in India? Answer C, second, third, first. During which 5-year plan was the total expenditure on agriculture the highest? Answer D, fourth 5-year plan. The objective of self-reliance and zero net foreign aids was declared in answer C, fourth 5-year plan. Who of the following was the author of the chapter on objective of plant development for the third 5-year plan? Answer A, Morarji Desai. In which one of the following 5-year plans the actual growth performance in India in respect of GDP at factor cost was less than the target set? Answer D, 9th 5-year plan. The 11th 5-year plan strategy to raise agriculture output envisages which of the following? Answer C, first, second and third. Which of the statement giving below is are correct? Answer A, only first. Which of the following statement about the Indian economy is correct? Answer third. In India, single biggest employment in agriculture and allied activities. Which of the following is not a function of the Planning Commission of India? Answer 4. Preparation of annual budget of the country and collection of taxes to raise capital for the implementation of the plan. Which one of the following is the correct sequence in the decreasing order of the contribution of different sector to the gross domestic product of India? Answer A, service industry agriculture. Dash is the ex officio chairman of Planning Commission and National Development Council? Answer A, Prime Minister. Which statement is correct for Indian planning? Answer D, all of the D's. Which one of the following is a driving force influencing the industrial growth of an economy? Answer 5. All, first, second and third. Which of the following is RA, an indicator of the financial health of a country? Answer 4. All A, B and C. Which one of the following Indian banks is not a nationalized bank? Answer C. Federal Bank. In which plan was the growth rate target exceeded? Answer A. First.